tutorial how to get a Moniepoint POS machine for your business. So just click on services and click on POS. Now as you can see, there are no POS terminals on my business. Now here's the thing. A brand new Moniepoint business account usually starts completely empty on a POS front, since the POS is a separate request/purchase, not something that comes bundled automatically when you open the account. To fix this, just make sure that your account is fully verified, your KYC is complete. As you can see, my KYC is not complete. I'm still in level 1. No pending face verification or document issues. I need to verify my email. And you also need to fund your account to at least 21,500. This is required before you can request a POS terminal. Then you need to also go to your business dashboard and look for the POS machine, which is here. And then once you complete the request and payment, it will show a pending POS delivery status. So once you have completed your KYC, you have uploaded all the documents you need to upload. Try again and you should see it. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below.